I am Balaganapati and from Lohia, and I am taking care of printing machine vertical and presenting the printing machine which is used for the raffia industry. This is a 6-color printing machine or stack type, and it can handle fabric width of around 850 mm to 1.2 meters. It is also have options like a corona treater, work handling system for removing and reassembling the stereo plates. This machine can run up to 130 meters per minute printing and a mechanical speed of even 135. This machine is built very stable design so that the print repeatability can be a very good quality. We recommend to use photopolymer, which can run up to around 10 to 12 lakhs of prints, impressions. Thank you very much for the listening. Either you can contact me or we can contact the concerned salesperson, and we'll get back to you with all the details. Thank you very much.